everybody, and welcome back to Free Friday. Jason Ricci here. Subscribe today. Free Friday harmonica lesson, no matter what, every Friday. What does no matter what mean? It means right now I'm sick. It means I had 3 students for today that I canceled because I'm sick. And it means that you're still getting Free Friday here on YouTube, no matter what. No matter what, there's a hurricane outside right now. I believe it's called Francine. Right now it's just a Category 1, but it's getting ready to make landfall here in New Orleans. In case the power's out the next 2 days, I thought I better make Free Friday now. Well, being sick, I haven't had a whole lot to think about what to do. I got a bunch of suggestions from Patreon. Thank you guys, Patreon. I'm going to be making a video for you guys after this, probably a talking video telling you about what's been going on. I've been sick like 7-8 days right now. I got a gig coming up on Friday. I'd be lying if I told you I wasn't a little bit nervous about it, but anyway, here we go. So I came up with this little lick and I transposed it to all the 3 chords in a blues. It's really important to be able to learn how to play the same thing on each chord. And really what you're learning is how to play the same thing in 3 different positions. If you don't know what that means, you will later. And if you check out my video on positions, one of the things I talked about is, you know, when you don't know any music theory, you can get confidence towards getting past that block by actually playing the stuff. And then later you're just putting a name to something you already know how to do. But anyway, learning theory is great, and there's lots of good ways to do that too. But anyway, let's get to the lick. So we're going to start on 3 draw, 3 double bend, 2 draw. Okay, so that's all it is. We're going to do it twice. So it's 3 draw, 3 double bend, 2 draw. And then I kind of do that little mama, little baby, loves shortening bread kind of lesson on that vamp. It's called like a Mississippi blues vamp or something like that. 2 draw, 2 blow, 2 draw, 1 draw. And you can kind of put a little bend on it just for staccato. So what was that? So it's going to go 5 blow, 4 draw, 4 blow. Same lick, just on a different chord. I got the fan on here. It sounds a little weird. I'm going to turn that fan off. Right, so we're back. So yeah, on the 4 chord, I'm on an A harmonica, right, in the key of E. So I started off in cross harp, playing second position or an A harp in E. And then I played 3 draw, 3 double bend, 2 draw. That's the crux to the melody. Okay, right, you can lip purse it or tongue block it. Right, you don't have to put vibrato. Sounds just as good or better without it. And then just go to 5 blow, 4 draw, 4 blow. Now I'm tongue block octaves. I'm using a tongue block split to get octaves. So I'm playing 2 and 5 together, putting my tongue over the holes in the middle, and then 1 and 4 together, putting my tongue over holes 2 and 3, and then 1 and 4 blows, just exhaling, keeping my mouth in exactly the same position. Back to the 1 chord. Now here comes the 5. 5. So I'm going to play 2 half-step bend, 2 blow, 1 draw. Right? Just like that. and then go back to the 4, but this time I'm going to use the low octave since I'm right there. Very cool. Let's take a listen to the bars 9 and 10 on the 5 chord again. So 2 half-step bend. That'll be the major third of 5. 2 blow. It's the 2 of 5. 2 blow, 1 draw. And then I got to immediately turn around to make bar 10. 2 blow, 1 draw, 1 blow. So it's a really pretty little song. I just wrote it today. Gosh, writing it is an overstatement. I was like, just picked up the harmonica and I played that lick on 1. It was in my head because I wanted to write something easy. And then I just moved it to all 3 chords. Yeah. Just riffing off of that. Anyway, that's Free Friday, y'all. That was enough for me. Let's hope I can hang in on Real Friday in Alabama at my gig. We got the great John Fohl from Dr. John's band playing with us. It's going to be fantastic. Shelby, Alabama. Jason Ricci and the Bad Kind coming up. Catch us on tour on the West Coast out in December. Got some wonderful stuff. I got a beautiful date in New Orleans for Soberfest for a benefit for an incredible indigent treatment center, rehab, treating people that don't have any money, giving them a place to live, a bed, medical treatment, and addiction counseling. Mental health stuff too. Bridge House. Soberfest will be with Anders Osborne and Ivan Neville. Absolutely thrilled to be part of it. Love you all so much. Stay tuned for the credits. Thank you, Patreon. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in to Jason Ricci's YouTube channel. 16 years of incredible YouTube harmonica-related content. That's right, 16 years. At this point, over 500 free instructional videos. If you're interested in what kind of harmonicas I play, microphones, amplifiers, pedals, any harmonica related products, please check out my sponsors. These sponsors in one way or another also help keep these videos going. Who am I talking about? I'm talking about Blue Moon Harmonicas, bringing you the best in custom harmonicas. We got custom cover plates, custom combs, you can get your name put on it just like me. Reed work, refurbished pre-war marine bands. Look at that, they put the little brace there, no more crushing the covers. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, the very best in pedals, microphones, almost anything you need for your amplified harmonica need. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, right here out of Ponchatoula, Louisiana. We got you. Harp gear, amplifiers. They got big ones, they got small ones. You know what they sound like? They sound like the best tube amps on the market. Harp gear amplifiers out of Ocala, Florida. Pedal pad, pedal boards. Incredible custom pedal boards built to last, made by two brothers who really, really care. Hohner harmonicas. A Mooncat loves the Hohner harmonica. I like the Marine Band. I get Tom to put the little special 20 cover plates on it. He tricks them out, but they play great right out of the box. All of these sponsors are linked below in the description box. What else is linked below? Patreon. Consider becoming a Patreon patron. You'll be supporting me. You'll be supporting the cause. You'll be keeping these videos free for everybody. And you'll get a lot of extra content over at Patreon. You'll get vlogs, occasionally some extra lessons, some posts that you might not see on Facebook. A lot of stuff that I can't say or won't say here on YouTube is over on Patreon. I love my Patreon family. You guys are the best. If you're not into the monthly subscription, you can also give me a one-time tip at Venmo or PayPal below too. I'm a touring musician and I play all over the country, really all over the world with all kinds of different acts. Check out my website, www.mooncat.org. In all seriousness, YouTube, Patreon, my sponsors have absolutely changed my life. Subscribe below, set reminders for the videos. Don't miss any events. Every single Friday there's a free harmonica lesson and a lot more. Even if you're just subscribing, you're helping me a lot. Those of you that are joining me on Patreon, you guys are helping me to make better decisions with my career. In all sincerity, thank you so much, YouTube, for just an incredible, incredible outlet. It's a video diary. I get to look back at 16 years of these videos. I had a lot of new friends, some really fine musicians, made some great contacts in the industry, and it's all because of you. Thank you, my harmonica family.